Hello, my name is Squidward, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper airplane. First, you're gonna need a piece of paper, like this. Next, you're gonna want to fold it in half over the top, like this. Next, you want to pull the side that you folded inside back out. After that, you're gonna be using the top portion of the paper by folding the corners inside, still folding over the paper. After that, you're gonna take the corner of what you have here and you're gonna bring it inside the paper once again. After that, fold what you have on top of itself. And now, take that same half you folded in and then fold that in half going out, making the paper airplane even thinner than before. And after that, you will do the same thing on the other side. And that should leave you with your paper airplane. You grab it from underneath the fold, and when you toss it at the right angle, you can get this sucker going for a while. This isn't the only type of paper airplane out there, just one of many. But if you want to make more complicated versions, you gotta get the basics down first. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your paper airplanes. I've gotta go throw some of my own now. Huh?